Welcome and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another Ipsy try on first impressions. I got a couple of good things in this bag that I'm really excited about. So if you're interested in what I got in this month's Ipsy and what I think of the products, just keep watching. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my base, brows, and highlight off camera. The first thing I want to talk about is the moisturizer that came in my bag. So this is the H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. I like this. It is a gel moisturizer, which I prefer for my skin type. It's kind of like a blue gel, which is interesting. I've never seen like a colored gel like that before. For moisturizers, for some reason, I feel like I need to use them a few times to really get an idea of how they work on my skin. But so far I do like this. I probably will just use up the sample size generally for moisturizers, as long as they don't like mess me up or break me out. Probably just use it up. And then the next thing that I already have on my face is the Benefit Porefessional primer. I've been using this for years, and you know, lots of people have used this in the past and talked about it. I don't know why, but Ipsy always sends me one of these. Like every other bag that I get, I swear, has one of these in it. So I will just continue to use this. At least it keeps me from having to buy the full size primer. So these are the three other products that I got in my bag. This is what I'm going to be using on the rest of my face. And then I'll go finish up, do lashes and whatever off camera. The next one is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I've used Tarte's blushes in the past, the Amazonian Clay ones, and I love them. I think they're great. But I have not used a bronzer from Tarte before. So it's like a nice shade. Doesn't look too orange, so we'll see what happens. I think this highlight is definitely like too dark for my skin. This is the AOA one that I used in my AOA try on. I think it's just a little bit too pigmented for my super fair skin. So far it's okay. It's a little orange. But if you're fair, basically everything is going to be orange. So that's just how the world works when you're pale AF. This is totally not how I would even like normally do my makeup, especially with the lighting and stuff. So I feel like trying new products on camera is so difficult. Just because you're not in your normal lighting, in your normal setup. Oh, this is in the shade Park Avenue Princess. This is a matte bronzer, which I like. Just like bronzing up my everything. Bronzing up my whole life. Okay, so that weird stripy highlight situation we have going on aside, that was maybe I went a little heavy. Oops. It is a little orange for me and my fair skin, so if I wanted to continue to use this, I might use this more as a bronzer and less of like a contoury product. But it blended out nicely, and I don't think it looks bad. It's just like a little warm tone for me personally. So the next thing is a blush. This is from Space Case Cosmetics. The shade is called It's Not Me, It's My Sign. That's freaking hilarious. So this is just like a good kind of peachy blush. These are the tones that I really like. I'm really picky about blushes, and I always use them with the same brush, at least the first time that I use them. And since I just stuck my finger in that. Oh no. Sad. This is so soft, so I just like stuck my finger in this on accident, and it's like butter. I thought maybe it was like a jelly blush underneath, like the last blush that I got from Ipsy, but it's legitimately just like buttery soft. So I like accidentally stuck my finger in it and it like went right in. But also on the other hand, I'm having a hard time picking it up with a brush. Just like a weird formula like that. However, I do like the shade. I'm just trying to like blend it in. Obviously there's a lot going on today. I have that highlight. I have that orange bronzer. Well, that's a little intense. I feel like whenever I do my makeup on camera, whatever happens, happens. I do really like the tone of this. Definitely will keep using this. I love these types of like peachy tones on my skin. I feel like they go with so many looks, and they just always look nice. Really excited to keep trying that. And also the branding and the shade name is really cute on this, so congrats to Space Case Cosmetics for being hilarious. And then the last thing that I have is from the brand Jolii. This is a Luxe Cream Matte lipstick. So I don't know if that means it's going to dry down or not. I guess we'll find out. This is really nice packaging for a sample size especially. So it's kind of like a rosy lavendery pink. I am not a pink lip person. That seems like a weird thing to say, but I don't like pink lipstick. I don't think it looks good on me. But we're gonna just go for it. It's all good. It's all fun and games, you know? This is in the shade Lavanda, and we're gonna find out if it dries down or what's going on with this. Well, it has like a weird wand. So it's like a doe foot, but it's kind of wide. So it's small, but kind of wide. Oh, that might be purple. So this is like a really wintry kind of purpley pink. So this has started to dry down a little bit. It's not transfer proof, but it also might not be completely dry yet either. It feels really, really comfortable on the lips. I noticed when I was applying it, I think it's actually, what is this called? Luxe Creme. I definitely would say it's a very thick, luxe, almost plumping kind of formula. It feels really, really nice on the lips. And it's really easy to apply. It goes on like a thick lip gloss or like a lip cream. And then it does dry down a little bit. Wow, this looks really beautiful on the lips. I'm not a fan of the shade, but it's like that really beautiful, soft, like velvet matte. But this is really, really nice. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did go in and add another like layer and a half of the lipstick, and I really like it. I can't say that I'm a huge fan of the color. Let me know what you think. If you like this color on me, if you think it looks fine on camera. In real life, it's kind of like a, I don't know, I'm looking in the mirror behind me, behind you, and it's pretty purple. I basically just threw on some lashes and mascara. Could I have trimmed the lashes? Yes. Am I gonna be wearing them for more than an hour or two? No. So do I care? Not really. But so far I really like these products. I want to keep trying these. Even the bronzer, even though it's a little orange, I would like to keep trying it, see if I can try it with some different looks and use it in a way that works and makes sense on my skin. Definitely will keep using the moisturizer and of course the Benefit primer. If you get Ipsy, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you got. If we got anything else that was the same or different, or what you got that you love. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe, or don't. I'm not your real mom, and I'll see you in my next video.